Oh yeah, it's double organic.
Hello there! Had a video request to tell you what is in my kitchen and what sort of appliances and tools of the trade does a raw vegan need in the kitchen. So I'm going to go through all the different things that I have, categorize them, and rank them from sort of must-have, or at least is very good to have, and not so important. So dive right into that. Hope it helps. Tupperware containers, worth having. Mostly I don't have leftovers, but I use this one every day. Holds about 12 bananas. Pretty good for packing bananas with you and not having them get squished. Other small containers, if you use half of an avocado, slice it perfectly, and then you can take that other half that you're not going to use, put it in a small container, kind of move it around a bit. It's going to create a seal. Put the lid on, put it in the fridge, pull it out the next day, and it's going to be totally no brown on it if it has a good seal. Got a little video up on how you can do that. So get a couple containers, always good to have. Pretty basic, but plastic bags are always good to have. Freezer bags for when you have too many ripe bananas. It's good to have these sort of things on hand. I like these kind of higher quality plastic bags for storing my lettuce in. Saves the environment, not using any plastic bags at the grocery store, and they last pretty good. I've had these for months and months. Get them for free when I buy stuff at the discount rack. So plastic bags, always good to have. Reuse, reduce, recycle. The first word is reuse. Recycle is the last word. Before we move on to the other appliances, I think it's worth mentioning what I eat out of or eat with. Chopsticks. I like chopsticks. They're fun to eat with. Good hand control, work all the little muscles. Other stuff, a big spoon. I don't like these little dainty meat eater utensils. I like big stuff because I eat a lot. Nice big bowl, other bowls, lots of different bowls, big salad bowls, big plates, so just different things like that. Mason jar to drink water or smoothies out of. I can get nearly a full Vitamix in the mason jar, so I've also drank out of flower vase. So I just like big things to eat with and eat out of, because we eat big portions. So keep your eye out for some bowls. A wooden bowl, it's gonna be pricey, but plastic bowl, cheap. Lots of different metal bowls and different mixing bowls for food prep, so there you go. Fruit, 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 and veggies, even though they are fruit. Lots of fruit. Cases of fruit. And lots of leafy greens. That is the most important thing that should be in your kitchen or somewhere in your house. You don't need nuts and seeds and oils and processed junk, salt, Nama shoyu, agave, cacao, maca, all these things that are not even raw, get them out. Just simplify it. Fruits and veggies. Alright.
Hello, I'm Chef Kozak. My book is full of secrets.